Hello and welcome to The Only Way is Open Source. In this short video, I shall be showing you how to upgrade Moodle in 6 easy steps. So without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, open up Firefox and navigate to your Moodle website. Log into your site with an admin account. And navigate to Site Administration. Make sure you're in the General tab and then head on over to Notifications. The first step is to see if there are any newer Moodle versions available, and as we can see here I have a couple of options available to me. I'm going to just jump into Moodle 4.3 Plus. I'm going to click download and that will download a zipped folder of Moodle, placing it in my downloads directory. I then want to enable maintenance mode for my Moodle site. So head on over to Server. Within the Server section, click on Maintenance Mode. From the drop-down menu, we want to Enable. And then if we want to, type in a message which our end users will see when they are navigating to our Moodle site. I'm going to save changes. And then if I open up a private window and navigate to my Moodle site, I will see the message that I've just entered in. So for now, I'll just close Firefox. Before any upgrade takes place, I want to back up my current Moodle site. So if I open a terminal and switch user, entering in my root password, I first need to locate where my Moodle site actually is. I'm going to use the locate command. You can just copy and paste commands from the guide, however just check that they're inputted in the terminal correctly. I'm just going to press enter. And as we can see, search results have returned the path to where my Moodle directory is. Next, I want to create a backup directory to move that current Moodle directory to. In this instance, make a directory within root var www and call it backup. Okay, now I want to move my Moodle directory to my new backup folder. When I'm moving it there, I also want to rename it. So I'm just going to grab this command, Control C, paste it in. Now we've moved the Moodle directory, I'm going to extract the Moodle file we downloaded previously. I'm going to grab this command, Control C, paste it in. I just need to make one change, replacing username with the name of the user currently logged in. Okay, so that's now extracted, so I'm just going to clear the screen. Okay, next I want to restore the config.php from my backed up Moodle directory to my new Moodle directory. So I'm going to just copy this command, Control C, paste it in. For anyone who's had themes or additional modules from your previous Moodle installation, then please utilise the following two commands to put those back. Next, we need to set permissions for our new Moodle. Grab this command here, paste it in, and I'm going to grab the second command, Control C, paste it in. Now we need to trigger the Moodle upgrade. So head on over to Firefox, navigate to the admin part of your site. Okay, confirm that we're happy to continue with the upgrade. Continue. It then does a number of checks and they're all okay, so continue. Okay, then checks plugins. If I scroll all the way down, I have one plugin it's not happy about. If you have any download links available, which I don't, select it and it will place a download of the plugin in your downloads folder. So next, click Upgrade Moodle Database Now. This will now start the process to upgrade Moodle to the new version. It will take some time, but you will know when it's done. As you can see, it's completed, so now just click Continue. Now if I try and log in, it informs me of additional settings to my Moodle site. At the moment, I'm not going to make any changes to these, as I can do them later on. So I'll click Save Changes, and there we have it. I'm back logged in within a site administration page. There are no new Moodle upgrades within the notifications. To double check which version I am running, if I click the question mark, you can see here that we are running version 4.3.2 plus. One last thing we need to do is disable maintenance mode. So within site administration, server, maintenance mode, select disable from the drop down and save changes. If I now run a new private window again and go to the site, the user is no longer presented with the maintenance message. They can see the Moodle homepage, they can click login, and they can now try and authenticate.